Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Wede Dantian. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhamad Fitra Husen. You can call me Faiz. Name 41120010016 from class L_BEE. Introduction. I'm the last of the 6 children. I was born in Jakarta, February 15, 2001. Currently, I live in Street Kemanggisan Raya, number 26A, Jakarta, West Jakarta. This picture when I was children. Next. My hobbies is playing basketball and listening to music. My favorite music genres are hardcore rock, metal, and pop punk. My favorite bands such as Bring Me the Horizon, Avenged Sevenfold, Slipknot, and another. Food. I really like sweet and spicy culinary delight, but I really like such martabak bangka and chicken noodle. Education. First, senior high school. I'm from Ahasana in Jakarta. My major is science. This picture when and I my friend at school. My university, I'm from University of Mercu Buana, Jakarta. Bachelor degree of Civil Engineering. Interest. I really love to go traveling with my friend. This picture when I and my friend go traveling together. And this some my social media. You can follow or contact me. WhatsApp 0857880321169. My Instagram at HusseinFTRH. My favorite quote is start today with a grateful heart. Well, that's all about me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.